In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Fiverr seller. To become a Fiverr seller, you need a new account. Obviously, in my current account that I have, I'm already a seller, so I cannot show you that from scratch. So I'm going to create a new account and walk you through it from the very, very beginning. So you can just create an account with your Google. It's really easy. You click that, then you choose your Google account. I have a bunch of test accounts. I'm not going to use this account. This is actually just me creating this for you to see the complete A to Z sign up to become a seller. So it's arbitrary what the Fiverr name should be, but it's really important that it's on brand. So if you're a logo designer, then it can be like Logo Master or Logo Pro. If you have multiple things you can provide and you're not sure, then it should be something about professionalism, or at worst, it should just be your name, like Alex Giladinik. That's fine. That's my name. So let's say join. In your account, to become a seller, all you do is click on the top right, and there's an option to become a seller. And then they explain to you why you would want to become a seller. Press the Become a Seller button, and they explain to you how it works. First, you learn about what it takes, then you create your profile, then you publish your first gig, and then you're ready to take on clients. So you say continue. Then they explain to you what makes you successful in Fiverr. Basically, create a good profile, add credibility, then describe your professional skills, brand your profile well, and then secure your account. All of these are relatively easy, so you'll say continue. Then they talk to you about what not to do. The thing you really don't want to do is get people off of Fiverr, collect your clients' emails in ways that are not authorized. They generally want you to adhere to the important parts of the terms of service, like don't provide any misleading information, and then don't spam other sellers. And then here's the important part. Don't request communication and payment outside of Fiverr, obviously, because if you do that, Fiverr doesn't collect commission, and Fiverr wants to collect commission. That's how they stay in business. So you'll say, okay, continue. And then you start filling out the rest of your profile. I'll actually do it with you. Profile picture. I have this cool picture of me playing music. I'm going to use that. Obviously, this is just for fun. I'm not going to use this. So description, they say minimum 500 characters, maximum 600 right here. So for example, let's say you're providing SEO services, then you want to talk about how good you are at SEO, for example. Here's something brief but very to the point. Let's say you are an SEO practitioner. Then you say something like 15 years of SEO experience, 200 plus clients, and thousands of pages ranking in the top 10 of Google for their main keywords. And then you say, I'd love to help your website grow to SEO. That's nice. And then language, if you speak multiple languages, great. In my case, I'll just say English. And then you say fluent. And then you say continue. Notice on top here, we went to point number 2, occupation. Let's say digital marketing. Then you get to pick your skills. This is important because you want to fill all this out. Whatever makes sense for you, you'll fill out. Skills, you want to add as many skills. SEO, like Google SEO, great. Experience level, expert, add new, another maybe SEO on Amazon. Okay, great. So you really want to do a lot of this SEO consulting, SEO audit. Notice you can create a gig, SEO audit, another gig, SEO consulting. So right away you start seeing, okay, what is popular here on Fiverr? So that way you'll keep an eye out for the kinds of services and gigs you can create. And you should add as many as possible. I'm not going to do that here. Once I do 1 or 2, it's really clear how to keep going, but you have to do as many as possible. Then you fill out your education, personal website. This is important because potential buyers might want to check out your work. So you put your website here. Then obviously if you have certifications, you would add them. If no, you just skip it and press continue. Then you want to link accounts. Let's say, for example, if you tweet things that are relevant for the services you're going to provide, you want to connect your account and click that. But if you don't tweet relevant things, better don't connect it because it's going to make you look not good. Like if you post about your favorite sports team or something else or the news, it's not going to help you here. So only connect accounts that are going to professionally help you and reinforce your expertise. Then you click continue. Account security, you want to add a phone number. You can say continue to creating your first gig. And once you go through all the details in these 4 items on top, you'll be able to go and start creating your first gigs, which is what we'll do in the next video.